In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all invoices in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which file type to choose so you can quickly get a clean list of your invoices out of Zoho Books for reporting, backups, or sharing with your accountant. Start by opening Zoho Books and heading to the main navigation on the left. Click Sales. This takes you into the sales area where all your sales-related records live. From here, click Invoices. You'll land on the invoice list page. If you truly want all invoices, make sure the view on screen reflects what you need, such as all statuses or your preferred date range, because the export will follow the filters currently applied. It's a good habit to quickly scan the top of the list for any active filters before moving on. Next, look toward the top right of the invoice list for the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those three dots to open the Actions menu. In that menu, hover over Export. You'll see additional export choices appear. Select Export Invoices. This opens the export dialog where you'll choose the file format. You can export as CSV or XLS. CSV is a widely compatible, lightweight format that opens in most spreadsheet tools and is great for importing into other systems. It's especially useful if you plan to do data cleanup or pivot tables in apps like Google Sheets. XLS is an Excel file format that can preserve certain spreadsheet features and may feel more familiar if your team primarily uses Microsoft Excel. If you're unsure which to pick, CSV is a safe default for broad compatibility, while XLS is convenient for direct Excel work. After choosing your preferred format, click Export. Zoho Books will generate the file. For smaller datasets, it typically downloads right away in your browser. For larger exports, it may take a moment. Keep an eye on your downloads area. If your file doesn't appear, refresh the page or check your browser's download permissions. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the export option, your user role may not have permission to export data, so you'll need an admin to adjust your access. If the exported file looks incomplete, revisit your filters on the invoice list and ensure you're viewing the full set you intended to export. Finally, remember that invoice exports can contain sensitive customer and financial information, so store the file securely and share it only with trusted stakeholders. That's it. Your invoices are now exported from Zoho Books and ready to use.